if I should use this trans cooler or use this one. I think I might use the bigger one. It's got more bolting areas and bolt it to the bottom across the radiator panel. Alright, so I gotta gonna put some Loctite on the fittings for the radiator and the side bits, the bushes on, and that's about it. Slide it in. Alright, I had to fuck around a bit and change where the transcooler went. Instead of being down the bottom and on that radiator with holes going through it, and I stuck it up there behind the main grill, and that will go in there with no holes going through it, so a lot better. And then I'll have the trans lines going through the radiator, hot side first, through the radiator into the cooler, and then around and back through.
Someday when I get my facts right, I would choose to let you know. Come play when I get my tracks tight, jumping to the next floor. Some say I should get my stats right, I would choose not to show.